Have you been golfing much this summer and you're now just feeling some lower back pain as you make the turn or you're at the end of your round? I'm Dr. Wadsworth, chiropractor here at Uintah Spinal Health. I'm going to show you one of the key things to help you swing better regarding your body and help take pressure off your lower back so then you have the proper muscles working instead of your lower back doing all the work. This is the glute activation series and exercise. Many times when we're doing some glute exercise or some glute work, which is what we should be doing with golfing, or some glute exercises, we're mostly using our hamstrings, quads, and back and not our glutes. And so this is a key way to help you start working on them yourself and help notice how to turn your glutes on and just be aware of that yourself. Here's the glute activation exercise. So you're going to lower legs flat. What I like to do is you're just going to sit here, and it's a mental exercise trying to connect your brain to your glutes. You're just going to try to flex the glutes. So just flex the glutes, try to squeeze your glutes together. If you have a hard time, I like to use guns of my fingers. I'm going to push my fingers into my side pockets or back pockets right along here, and just to feel the glutes fire yourself and relax. Good. And good. So you're just going to, in this position, just flex your glute muscles. For a full minute, you're just going to flex them there together. There. Now just try to flex the right side, now independently just the left side. You're just going to feel that hip pop up as you do this. Go up, down, up, right side, and now together. Now, like for a minute, you're just going through this series, trying to flex and feel those glutes firing. Now, the key thing is you're also doing this, you're trying to let the hamstrings just relax, so there's like jelly as you're doing it. Just relax these here, relax, really try to mentally focus on just the glutes. As you do that, you feel your hips pop up. You may feel your pelvis tilt a little bit, but that's what we want to get here. So doing that for a minute, doing that several times, several sets of it. As you get good at that position, then we can progress to raising your feet up a little bit. This makes it a little bit harder, but we want to maintain that same feeling of just your glutes firing one side or the other, and then together, and progressing to where you can bring your knees all the way up. And hamstrings are nice and loose as you're doing it. Okay? So those are loose. Now try to squeeze your glutes together, flex them, and hamstrings start to fire a little bit. So not ready there yet, so we're going to lower legs flat. And this takes some time. It's not going to be a quick thing right away. It could take several weeks, up to a month or two, to really get the feeling of this. And once you do, then you'll really notice what it feels like to get your glutes to fire as you are swinging or doing some glute exercises. Now this is the first glute exercise that we love to give people because it finds to help people progress a lot faster. Once we get this going, then the glute exercises that we start to do, sitting up, kneeling, standing, are really more effective. It just takes some time to do it. Let me show you a few more exercises on the links below. There's other glute exercises to help strengthen the glutes, because when we start to get more control in the pelvis, that is another key thing to help take pressure off the lower back when we are swinging and playing golf.